Imagine waking up every day feeling energized and intentional. In this video, I share 5 powerful strategies that will help you stop living on autopilot. These tips will guide you to live a life that truly matters. First, align your money with your life choices. Understand how your spending reflects your values. When your finances match your desires, you feel more in control and fulfilled. Next, think about the versions of you at different ages. Make decisions that would make your 8-year-old and 80-year-old selves proud. This perspective helps you focus on what genuinely matters to you today. Third, remember that reversible decisions should not be treated as permanent. Life is full of choices. Embrace the fact that many decisions can be changed if needed. Fourth, protect your energy. Surround yourself with positivity and people who uplift you. This will create a more energizing environment for you to thrive in. Finally, slow down time by being present. Mindfulness allows you to savor experiences and appreciate life's moments. In summary, aligning your finances, considering your future self, embracing reversible decisions, protecting your energy, and practicing mindfulness will transform your life. Take these strategies to heart and start living intentionally. For more resources, download my free Intentional Spending Tracker and explore my Financial Well-Being Toolkit. Visit the links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and join me on this journey to a more intentional life.